So we're going to show how to turn on and off this robot for the Tin Lizzie and some of the other machines. So this is perfect stitch. So go ahead, Enrique, show the process here.
So the correct way to power on the machine here and power it down, what you're going to want to do is to power it off, you unplug the micro USB plug here. This is important because if you don't unplug this, when you reconnect, you're going to have problems communicating with the machine. And we'll go over that later. So you have your micro USB unplugged here. You're going to either power off or reboot the tablet. You can power it off if you're not going to come back to it today. Otherwise, you can hit reboot, and we're going to let it restart and give us a message here. We're going to hit OK. So reboot, hit OK. We're going to let it power off. And while we're doing this, we still have this unplugged here. And now we're going to turn off the machine and the robot separately. So we're going to do that. You have the machine switch here, power off. You have the robot here. We have it upside down. This part's the on switch, so we'll turn it off. Now we'll turn this back on. We'll turn on the machine.
I turned the camera over and it still
that's okay.
Recorrected. Okay, stupid.
They'll figure it out. So we're not going to plug in that cable yet. We're still on the boot screen. The tablet is loading. So we're going to wait for that to complete booting up, and we're going to see the lock screen here in a minute. So you have the lock screen. I just like to open it here. We're going to unlock it. You're at your main home screen here. At this point, now that the machine is powered on, the robot is powered on, and the tablet is powered on, you can plug in this micro USB cable going from the hub to the tablet. And after doing that, you'll wait a few seconds and see that the Perfect Stitch app should automatically open and start loading here. In a moment we'll be greeted with the main screen. And we can test to make sure our machine is connected by checking the lights here. So I can turn on the light, and that worked out fine. Black light, turn those back off. I can go to my robot now and set my quilting area, going to the top left, and yeah, and then you should be able to set your pattern.